What we have seen today is a vagary of our democracy, and this we will not accept as the people of Narok. We have done our tally, and the tally have already shown that Moitalel Ole Kenta is ahead of everybody. Yes. This is not a joke. This is something we have fought for the last 10 years. People have been killed fighting for this. And we will not lose this.
You can't.
Tonight. What I'm going to do is show man. Show more long kepa. Show more ben. Kawara ke bindo ya jalo zuwa anyega ke kure Moitalel. Kala mole. Me na ngole ni rejo open ye. Yes. Negi yene weji kijito. Enyaka ole tuna ya lotu aburi yo. Ore ngura ye Moitalel Ole Kenta na aburori. Hakuna. Ezo shoji kura. Niki do shokura rosotua. Niki dalongana rosotua na longana Ole Kenta. Kage mekinyo rol daiga yuko be bonni ya brori yo kura shito ina bonni sikongi yo. Ore mirisho ina nangai. Ore oldungani saida na rishatori kito na ninyo ifabe kwa fanano Ole Kenta. Niki jore seido nikito dua na dubro yo nkura ite wene jo lenga nai. Nesi na asira de lomo korani ni mekinyorra. Ore sia ina rasa irende weida masa igal. Ni mekinyorra atol daiga yo. And we want to say this very clearly. Today we had several number of cases of theft in our polling stations. And the case number 1 was found in Maasai Girls. Case number 2 was found in Narok South, a place called Olenganai polling station, whereby some people were found marking those ballot boxes for a certain people. And we are saying as the youth, as the Narok people, we cannot accept any irregularity, any manipulation of our rights, our voting rights. And we are saying we are not going to allow this to happen. We have our democratic right to demonstrate and to make sure that we...
1, 2, 3, go.
Ayuna jogi wafuasi Ole Kenta kidi main tallying center university. Nigi de jogore mirisho ine na. Ayuna jogi mtai emindogi apeka ngare ngoshwa. Amene sadwol kulia tonganak propaganda. Ajo kinjinda kutoka Salomonari. Nedio oshikura. Nejo ke wairana epic social media. Ai enesa uvumi nemete. Ayuna joki lelo bayanyo enesa uvumi nemete. Ojo merikyo lo show. Eto na Ole Kenta rikito nkurai ngalusuni tomonari. Ayuna joki lelo bayani arabauta ngolongi nyini bobwa. Iyo. Nemikinyorra kirar Maasai lenkare Narok utumwa olarin tomon. Ore ni musho. Ayuna joki wafuasi lambokin towe idineti empangu otu olduka lenkare Narok amore mirisho ine Moitalel.
Ma beita shabaki sahi. Nige ko beita shengelare Narok South abaikana sasa. Kijo returning officer. Meta sheyesiai engekana kura Narok South. Amena ardasi na banyi na ragira lengo wanja. Angardasi na banyi na ragira lengo wanja. Imedhihirishwa na itosha kwamba